on the road for the 7th time this season. They are 3-1-2 away from home, as we talked about before, +4 in goal differential. Now the first ever meeting. Hornsby takes it away from Para. And a score update from Kansas City. Sporting Kansas City, now a 2-0 lead over League One side Union Omaha. As it's played back to Casillas. Oh, what a finish! The build-up, the goal, and now the celebration. Yeah, by Victor Falk. They work the 1-2. Casillas making that run. Mexican-born, American-raised. Played for both the U.S. and Mexican national team. As Ammon works ahead of the pack. Ammon probing. Ammon slips it centrally. Tap in at the level. And a tap-in goal. McLean won't find any easier than that one. And it's 1-1. Norty, blast! Oh, Antman, the denial. A guy who has not played since May 7th. Para upended, they play the advantage. Can Northern Colorado find the lead? Yes, they can! 2-1 Hailstorm. Trevor Ammon, an assist, and now a goal. An easy maneuver around Casillas. A low drive. Works forward for Norty. Norty. Speed behind him. It's Robles. One-on-one with Antman. And Antman wins the battle once more. Hernandez, his cross. Hornsby works it all the way back. Is this an own goal? Antman! Oh, what hustle! Ofek Antman protects it once, but he needs to stand tall again, and he cannot! It's Para! It's 3-1 Northern Colorado. They get the third, and they lead by 2. And it started with this near disaster ball back from Hornsby. Ofek Antman somehow kept it out of frame, and it's played right to Para. Rogers, floating cross. Jay got a foot on it, turn and fire! Oh, there's the 4th! Marky Hernandez. Mark showing off the moves. An assist and a goal for the substitute. And it's off the set piece. Hernandez one-times it. It's a guy from the Fresno area. Does not like to be in this situation. Whistle. Was it inside the 18? It was Robles who went down. It's Smith shown a second yellow in about 30 seconds, and he's been sent off. Scally and Hernandez. It's Scally. Finds the wall. And there is the whistle. Ayman Zayed said he wanted to see a little bit more punch from his boys.